Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about Java ArrayList. So the ArrayList class is a resizable array which can be found in the java.util package. The difference between a built-in array and an ArrayList in Java is that the size of an array cannot be modified if you want to add or remove elements to or from an array. And you have to create a new one, while elements can be added and removed from an array list whenever you want. The syntax is also slightly different. Example: get your own Java server. Create an array list object called cars that will store strings. Import java.util.ArrayList. Import the ArrayList class. ArrayList string cars equal to new ArrayList string creates an ArrayList object. Add items. The ArrayList class has many useful methods. For example, to add elements to the list, use the add method. Import java.util.ArrayList public class main, public static void main string args ArrayList string cars equal to new ArrayList string cars.add Volvo, cars.add BMW, cars.add Ford, etc. System.out.println cars. You can also add an item at a specified position by referring to the index number. Example: import java.util.ArrayList public class main, public static void main string args ArrayList string cars equal to new ArrayList string cars.add Volvo, cars.add BMW, cars.add Ford, cars.add 0 Mazda. Insert element at the beginning of the list 0. System.out.println cars. Array indexes start with 0, 0 is the first element and 1 is the second element, etc. Access an item. To access an element in the array list, use the get method and refer to the index number cars.get 0. Change an item. To modify an element, use the set method and refer to the index number cars.set 0 of 1. Remove an item. To remove an element, use the remove method and refer to the index number cars.remove 0. To remove all the elements in the array list, use the clear method cars.clear. Array list size. To find out how many elements an array list have, use the size method cars.size. Loop through an array list. Loop through the elements of an array list with a for loop and use the size method to specify how many times the loop should run. Public class main, public static void main string args ArrayList string cars equal to new ArrayList string cars.add Volvo for int I equal to 0, for I less than cars.size I plus plus. System.out.println cars.get I. Can also loop through an array list with the for each loop. For string I cars. System.out.println I. Other types. Elements in an array list are actually objects. In the example, we created elements objects of type string. Remember that a string in Java is an object, not a primitive type. To use other types such as init, you must specify an equivalent wrapper class integer. For other primitive types, use boolean for boolean, character for char, double for double, etc. Create an array list, store numbers, add elements of type integer. For int I, my number, system.out.println I. Sort an array list. Another useful class in the java.util package is the collections class, which include a sort method for sorting alphabetically or numerically. Collections.sort cars for string I cars. System.out.println I. sort an array list of integers. Collections dot sort my numbers, for int I my number system dot out dot println I. So this was a brief discussion on ArrayList. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.